Welcome back to a Junk Journal with Me session. If you're new here, my name is Bree from 1134 Press, where we share bookmaking, journaling, and papercraft inspiration. Subscribe if you'd like new crafting projects every Sunday and Wednesday. Today's journal spread inspiration comes from an art journaling prompt that I started on Instagram, which is to make lists of mundane parts of my day and collage them in my journal. You'll see here that I made a list of my browser history and another of things that I bought that day. You can also follow us on Instagram at 1134press for more journaling content. Today, I'm going to make a list of things that made me smile. Making lists for function, but also as a literary device, is one of my favorite forms of writing. At first glance, they appear like lines in a poem, and items all strung together tell a story about a task or a person. If you're following us on Instagram, you've probably already seen this vintage typewriter that I picked up during an antiquing shopping haul. This is a 1966 Brother 44 manual typewriter that was in near perfect condition. This is my first typewriter and I have a lot to learn about its functions, but I am enamored with the fact that you can type on almost any type of paper. I opted to type on this tissue paper that I saved from a package I received. But if you don't have a typewriter, I recommend using Courier font in Microsoft Word and printing on brown vellum paper. I did this in a previous junk journal video where I made a page for my goals for 2021. I'll link that video in the cards and below in the description. The great thing about this journaling prompt is that it is virtually limitless. You can document the things that you cooked, the things you smelled, the streets you walked down. I would be curious to see a journal dedicated to all the songs that you remember listening to every day for a year. I'm collaging in my junk journal that I made from an old book. My first video on this channel is a tutorial on how to make your own version of this book. It's linked in the description and cards if you'd like to check that out. I'll let the video play from here, but I'll be back at the end with some updates about the channel and more. Thank you for watching that Junk Journal with Me episode. I wanted to close this video off with saying thank you to everyone who has subscribed to our little channel. I also want to say a special thank you to those of you who have supported this channel through the Buy Me a Coffee link that's in the description below. One of my goals for this channel is to get better audio and video equipment this year. So if that is something that you would like to see improved, that is a way to support us in furthering that goal along. I also wanted to talk a little bit about ideas for future videos. I feel like I need to switch up my current planning system, and I was thinking about doing a traveler's notebook style bullet journal for next month. So if that is something that you would like to see, leave a comment below. Also, if there's any other subject that you'd like to see me explore in this realm of journaling, bookmaking, and paper crafts, leave a comment as well. Like, I know someone left a comment saying that they want to see how I hand make paper. That is on the queue of videos to make. I know there are a lot of creators out there that have delved into some of those topics, so I don't want to beat a dead horse. But I make these videos for you all, so if that's something that you would like to see, definitely let me know. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. And then if you really, really loved it, subscribe. We will see you all on Wednesday. And don't forget to check out my Instagram, where I've been sharing my process of getting my craft room together, which is really funny because I actually was talking to my sister today and asked her, what she thought about the process, and she said, you seem like you're really over it. I am not over it. I am actually having a really fun time organizing my space. It's just that I take it very seriously and I like things to be a particular way. So yeah, so if that is something that you're interested in, definitely check out that, and I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye.